Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure both devices are ready. Charge your AirPods Max to at least half and wake your Mac. On the Mac, open System Settings and select Bluetooth so the adapter is active. Now press and hold the noise control button on the AirPods Max until the LED flashes white. This triggers pairing mode. Keep the headphones within a few feet of the Mac and avoid metal obstructions, because proximity helps RF discovery and speeds the initial handshake. Once the LED is flashing, look in the Mac's Bluetooth device list for AirPods Max. Click Connect. The Mac will perform authentication and configure the audio profile. You'll see a status change when the HFP and A2DP profiles are active. This is why audio quality matters. If you get a prompt about automatic device switching, enable it to let your Mac route audio seamlessly. After the connection finishes, test audio playback and adjust volume or spatial audio settings as needed to verify proper streaming. Finish by opening sound settings and choosing AirPods Max as the output and input device so apps use them. If audio is cut or the Mac won't connect, reset the headphones by holding Noise Control and Digital Crown until the LED flashes amber then white. Then try pairing again. Also make sure Mac OS is updated and remove nearby Bluetooth clutter. Unplug or turn off unused dongles and disable Wi-Fi briefly if interference persists, because clean RF improves reliability and reduces dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.